YouTube playlists help people find more videos that are related to the first video they watched from their original search query. They're a great way to boost video views and provide bingeable value to your audience. So today I'm going to show you how to create a YouTube playlist, and in the process I'm going to share tips on how to optimize it for YouTube SEO to get more views. What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I'm Brandy with LYFE Marketing, the digital marketing agency with a mission to help small businesses grow. Before we get started, go ahead and like this video for me, subscribe to the channel, and hit the notification bell so that you don't miss out on any of the business growing videos we put out every single week. All right, so let's first quickly answer the question, what is a YouTube playlist? Google, who owns YouTube, says a playlist is a collection of videos. Anybody can make playlists and share them, and friends can add videos to your playlist. So as a business owner, it's important to think about how your audience is using playlists personally, in addition to how you will use them professionally. YouTube playlists are usually used to group like topics together, such as a study playlist full of music videos, for example, that have songs that help a person study. Or another example is if somebody is trying to learn how to plant a garden for the first time, they might save all the videos they find that they want to watch on that into a garden playlist. Understanding how your target audience thinks about problems and solutions as it relates to what you offer will help you understand how to organize your playlist and what topics to make videos around. All right, now I'm going to screen share and show you how to create a YouTube playlist. First, you'll want to make sure you're logged into your business's YouTube account. Then click Playlist over to the left. Once you start making playlists, you'll see them on this page, but if you've never made one before, your page will most likely be empty apart from the default Watch Later that YouTube gives everyone. Click the New Playlist button and title your playlist. You want the title to make it obvious as to what your playlist is about, while also including relevant keywords. For example, for a lot of our playlists, instead of just saying Twitter or Instagram, we call them Twitter marketing and Instagram marketing. A, because that's more specific and accurate, and B, because those phrases have a high search volume on YouTube. From there, you can set your visibility to public, private, or unlisted. Public means exactly what it sounds like. Everyone can see your playlist. Private means only yourself and those you invite to view the video can view it, and they must have their own YouTube accounts, so it will not appear in the YouTube search results. And the people you invite cannot invite other people of their own to view the video. Even if they send them the URL, it won't work unless the account viewing the video has been invited by you. Unlisted means your video will not come up in the search results or on your channel either, but if someone does happen to get a hold of the video URL, they can see and share the video with others. You'll normally want to set your playlist to public, but for the sake of this tutorial, I'm going to select private and click Create. You'll then want to hit the editing pencil to edit your playlist. Now you can see when I did that, YouTube took me out of my company account and into my personal YouTube account view and gave me a red error bar saying the playlist does not exist, because remember I set it to private. So I'm going to click my profile icon, click Switch Account to get back to LYFE Marketing, and then it will show me the playlist. Okay, so if you decide you want to change the title, you can always do that by clicking the editing pencil next to the title. You'll then want to click the editing pencil next to the description text box to add one that is 5,000 characters max. Now, transparently, most people do not read these, but it usually helps your YouTube SEO if you add in a bunch of keywords that are relevant to the topic of your playlist. And by YouTube SEO, I mean your playlist is more likely to be recommended to viewers organically by the algorithm if it is optimized for a handful of highly searched keywords. Click Save once you've got your description the way that you want it. If you hit the three dots, you can start adding videos to your playlist. These videos can be from other channels or your own. If you're wanting to boost your own views and channel subscribers, I'd recommend making playlists of your own content organized by category to create bingeable material that keeps viewers on your channel. You can also add collaborators to your playlist here, adjust your playlist settings, or delete it altogether. And once you've got videos in your playlist, it gives you the option to add all the videos from this playlist into another one that you have. To add a collaborator, just share the link it gives you there with that person. In your playlist settings, you can allow the option for viewers to embed your playlist or not. You can have it add new videos to the top of the playlist automatically or not, and you can set it as an official series or not. If you hit the shuffle button, it will automatically start playing your videos, and you can see that once I clicked back to another page, it kept the video playing in the corner. This is because the video was clicked on from a playlist. Individual videos don't follow the viewer around and continue playing like this. So this is another small thing about playlists that helps your video views. Another quick way you can add videos to your playlist once you've got it created is to go to the video tab on your channel, click the three dots under any given video, click Save to Playlist, and click any playlist that you want to add the video to, and it will do so in real time. You can add the same video to multiple playlists, and you can just uncheck them if you want to undo your action and remove the video from the playlist. You can then click the Playlist tab to view your playlist from the public's perspective on your channel. So that's how you create a YouTube playlist. Now, before we wrap up, I want to leave you with a couple CTAs to think about as you go create your playlist. But first, here is a quick message from Sherman.
Hey, we just helped a small business make over $1.5 million through Facebook advertising. And after managing millions of dollars in ad spend for thousands of different small businesses, we have decided to give away everything we learned to you in a special program. If you want to learn the blueprint to success, the best practices from some of the fastest growing companies in the world, and all of the different tools you will need, then sign up for our social ads training program today.
All right, things to remember as you create YouTube playlists. Number one, think about the things your audience will be searching for on YouTube as it relates to your product or service, and make playlists for those topics. You can confirm the search volume for any keywords you're thinking of by using paid tools like Keyword Tool to ensure that it is actually being searched a lot, and get any other relevant keyword ideas. Number two, audit your playlist every few months or so to see if it makes sense to create a new playlist based on the recent videos you've put out. Maybe your audience has started searching new or different topics that you need to reorganize your playlist around. Go through your playlist every so often to ensure that they are still relevant to your audience. All right, that wraps up everything in this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell before you go, and I will see you in the next episode.